Drawing a table. You can also draw a table into your document by selecting Word's Draw Table feature. This option allows you to create a table with rows and columns in the desired positions. From the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table. The Table submenu appears. Select Draw Table. Your insertion point turns into a pencil. To create the frame of your table, click and drag the pencil until the outline of the table reaches the desired size. Release the mouse button. The outside frame of a table appears. To draw vertical and horizontal lines to create your columns and rows, click and drag the pencil within the table. To stop the Draw Table command from the Design tab in the Draw Borders group, click Draw Table. To correct a mistake, from the Design tab in the Draw Borders group, click Eraser. Your pointer turns into an eraser. Click the eraser on the mistake. The selected line or lines disappears. Adding information to the table. To move from one cell to another, use one of the following methods. Press Tab. Press an arrow key. Using the mouse, click in the appropriate cell.
Mail merge, an overview. When you need to write a personal message to 500 of your closest friends, it's time to dust off Word's mail merge. The merge part is where this feature gets exciting. In a mail merge, you write your letter in Word and then merge it with personal information, name, address, and so on from another document, or even another program like Excel or Outlook. To assess the mail merge commands, from the ribbon, select the Mailings Commands tab. Click Start Mail Merge and click the drop-down to select the desired options to create your mail merge. Selecting the document type. Your options for choosing a document type include the following. Letters allows you to tailor one letter to many individuals. Email messages allows you to personalize generic messages for individual recipients and send them via email. Envelopes allows you to print envelopes with different addresses. Labels allows you to print labels with different addresses. Directory allows you to gather varied but related information into a list. Selecting the recipients. Your options for selecting recipients include the following. Type a new list. Allows you to create your own list by typing each recipient. Use an existing list. Uses a previously saved list. Select or Outlook contacts. Uses your Outlook contacts as recipients. You must have existing contacts in Outlooks for this option to work. Write and insert fields. Address block allows you to specify the format of your recipient names, whether to insert the company name and postal address, and the format of the postal address. Greeting line allows you to format how the greetings line will appear. Insert merge field allows you to insert fields for a variety of common options, such as the first or last name, phone number, or state of each recipient. Previewing your document. At this point, you are almost ready to merge. Before you do so, it's a good idea to preview your documents. Word will show you a preview of the document addressed to the first recipient, but also allows you to browse through the documents for the other entries by clicking the Previous or Next button. This allows you to locate specific recipients. Finish and merge. Once the merge is complete, you can print the merged documents, or prior to printing, you can edit individual documents. Working with macros. Running a macro. Macros can be run from the Macros dialog box, or depending upon how you initially set up the macro, a shortcut accessed from either the keyboard or a button on the Quick Access toolbar. If an insertion point is critical, set it to the appropriate location. From the ribbon, select the Developer Command tab. In the Code group, click Macros. The Macros dialog box appears. From the macro name scroll list, select the macro you want to run. Click Run. Deleting a macro. If you delete a macro, it will be removed from the template and will not be available in any document. From the ribbon, select the Developer Command tab. In the Code group, click Macros. The Macro dialog box appears. From the macro name scroll list, select the macro you want to delete. Click Delete. A confirmation dialog box appears. Click Yes. Repeat these steps until all the unwanted macros are deleted. Click Close. Using Microsoft's Office Help. The Microsoft Office Help system provides concise, printable descriptions and procedures for virtually any Office feature. The Help system is useful for troubleshooting problems and explaining specific subjects, making Microsoft Office a more accessible program to work with. Accessing the Help dialog box. The Help dialog box is never more than a click away. To open the Help dialog box at the upper right corner of the screen, click Help, or press F1. The Help dialog box appears. Using the Help dialog box, using the Search for text box allows you to type in keywords, which will have Office search through the entire library of Help topics. In the Search text box, type a question, word or phrase that describes your topic. To refine your search to a particular collection of documents using filters, click the drop-down button on the Search button, select the desired filter. A check mark represents the current filter being used. The default filter is All Office Program, which searches through all Help topics for the program that you are using. The search results appear in the Help dialog box. From the list of topics, select the desired search result. When finished, to close the Help dialog box, click the Close button.